Wait. Yay! Take it, you annoying zombies! Oh! Oh, that might give you a flip seat. Okay, impact, please. Okay, now we can start going. Die. God, that's lagging. Barely makes no noise. Ah, ah. Oh my gosh, look at it. Oh, ew. Okay, let's clear them out. We just didn't get damage. Oh, this will be loud. Yeah. That. I'm gonna switch. Okay, we're done. Wait. Yeah. Look at this. Ah! These zombies are attacking me. Also, the evidence tells me that they're station. So we need to go there and find out. There we go. I'm not hitting a single zombie because it would make the train derail. Train. Think about it. And also they tell me that there was a captain that got infected by a head crab there. Oh yeah. Edit. Where's the shell? But yeah. that's enough of a machine gun. Because it's actually broke down. Oh my gosh! Look at this! Ah, the game is flagging. Hey, move it! This is a chicken launcher. Don't even touch me now. Take that, you annoying zombie. Oh. Laggy like. Okay. You know what? I'm spawning ant lions. They're good for this. Come on, ant lions. You can do this. I'll vote for you. Oh, I think we're still okay. Ah, gosh. Meat. Hey, wait for me. My safe toilet. Hey, where's the ant? That's the what? Clean the plate. I just need that. Okay, I need to go before they attack what they like. Get out of the way! Get out of the way, zombie! Stop resisting! Get out! Get out! Oh, got more. Hey, look, they killed the soldiers that scavengers said there. Hey. Okay, I'm getting up here. I'm coming for you. Ah. Zombie. Not anymore. Lagging. I think you guys get annoyed Gotta go. Are you serious? That's spot back. Let's just pretend. Okay, this is our stop. Spycake station. I wonder is that. Oh, okay, I should try to stop this bad. Wouldn't be enjoyable if it was lagging. Less. Gotta clean out all these zombies. Now I got it. Fish. Wonder what is this. Oh. What? Why is it not dying? Die. No, I think this is a boss fight. Fish it. Finally did it. I did it! I'm the hero! Pay station. Let's imagine this thing is PlayStation. Okay, Mr. Gerald is here. Take this. Keep dying. The best thing you can do. Best thing not to do is don't. I think crouching is the worst thing. Oh, I couldn't do that the whole time. Best thing not to do is not crouch. That was what it did. Things will be good if it was. This train was. Oh, well. Oh, look at that. Oh, okay. We need to put zombies. No, we need to put. We'd have to zombies. Actually, they're not friends with me, but I am gonna kill them. Hey, move it! Laggy. Laggy. There's still what's in there? You don't want to see me. Use the bomb launcher. Okay, I'll use it. Hey, it actually does a lot of stuff here. Hey, look. Okay, time to get some knives here. Resisting zombies, I'm coming. I'll hit you with this train. Okay, so I gotta sit down on. He didn't place a chair for me. I need a refund after using this train. Give me a refund, Temu. Oh, going fast enough won't help. Gotta go slow. Look at that over there. Don't tell me. Oh, that's where the chair was. Ah! Ah! Not already. That's, I need a refund on this train. Because it's actually trash. But it's actually great. That's no lie. Look at this. Look. I wasted $10 on this. But I think that's fine. Good to go. Good to go. I hope it doesn't fall again. Oh. Don't fall. Don't fail me, train. I don't want to put you on the tracks again. Ah! Oh. Don't even do this again. we're abandoning the train right now. I'm gonna go to the other place. That's so many. Die! What? What? I'm gonna make this stop. Okay, I don't think that button worked. Zombies. What? What is he doing up there? Oh. Lagging! Because of you guys! The fire. Rocket launcher always solves everything. It's always okay, look. Looks nice. That car is okay. Oh look! Oh my god! Ugly zombies! I hate them! They're waiting on me, ugly zombies! Lagging! Just ignore that. I'm lagging. Yo. Stop. Killing zombies will only help. Lag a little bit. What it is? Oh, did I hear a word come from it? Yes! It's me, the head crabby leader. You won't even survive because me and my army will... Me and my soldiers will kill all of the humans. We will take over the world. Me and the other leaders will kill all the leaders. That's all. Yes! Yes! Now, us evil head crabs will kill humans because we are head crabs and we came from... it's hard to say this, but Zed or... I don't know, but... Oh gosh, how can you speak? Me and the other... Oh, I'm sick. Yeah, oh, I'm sick, okay. So, me and the other head crab leaders discovered a new language, English. Oh my gosh! That is so evil! Yes! Not evil enough. Oh my gosh. I knew English was just evil. Ah! I should have told them that. They were dumb enough. We just develop English. We develop to learn how to talk English, learn English, speak English, do English, and we use it to communicate with humans, just like this. How do you even got free? How did you even make this army? Our mother found escape. Like, they said this old man freed them. What type of old man? Does he has a blue suit? Well, my mother said yes. That he has a blue suit. Okay, and next, she said he looks annoying. Huh? He took 4 off them instead. From Nova Prospect, that head crab prison. What did they even use you head crabs for? Give us to the annoying people that are called G-Mod. The ultimate people that are ultimate war machines and builders. They're ultimate builders. You need to steal a powerful, 2 powerful weapons. A physic gun. And next, last of all, a cool gun. You look like a G-Mod player to me. Yes, I am. Oh yeah, okay, give me that. How do I drop it? Thing is, he cannot drop it, but he can die for me just to give it to me. Hell no! I'm not doing it. Not. Well, then how am I gonna grow my empire? My mother's empire. Come on, can you just feel bad for that? Why did you turn evil? Why? Because those animal shelter were greedy. They use us for money. I cannot believe money was for us to be used. We are used for money. So we need to. But you need to not attack on humans, not attack on everyone. Well, actually, the old man took 4 of us, so that's why we became evil. We're gonna wipe off everything, but leave head crabs. Okay, you're a dead man. You're dead. Ah! I'll delete. Wait. What are you doing? What are you doing? Hey, why are you holding me? Wait. Don't tell me. Go and do it. No, don't. Any last words? We're gonna wipe off everything. You cannot change the past. G-Mod player, you cannot change the past. What's your name again? Mr. General. Tell them that. But how can I tell them that? I'm gonna send you straight to the code. Ah! Gotta go back to my train. Oh my gosh! Look at that. They know where I am! Oh, I can just think up game's code. You can send it to the game's code. That is them entirely. Oh, I'm sick. He spread his sickness to me. Ah, man. That was cool. Okay. That's where the... Wait a minute. I am already at the end. Okay, I'm flying. You cannot do anything. Kind of like an expert. Oh, they destroyed it. Grenade! What? Don't touch me, you ugly egg crab! I'm gonna have to go to another place. I'm back for more. Crazy. Get it. Sit it. You can go inside. Fly to another place somewhere. Okay. Okay, we need to put rocket. Okay. Now let's put the chairs. And I'll put there. Oh, today we're gonna go back home. So, in 3, 2, 1. Oh, I forgot. These rockets were from Temu.